Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have FANTOM daily update. We are going to see the most important support levels and of course the best buying strategy. Before we begin though, join the monthly subscription 200 altcoins and you will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell, okay, and how much you buy, how much you sell. This is something revolutionary. Join in right now, do not skip this part, and of course you will get many more benefits such as market updates, personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, random giveaways, pine scripts for training you, many benefits right there, okay. And of course, you can also join our Telegram group chat, hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. Let's proceed quickly into the technical analysis. And right now you can see that we have the FTM, the 2.88, in which we found a little bit of a support here. Now the major resistance level will be the 20-day MA. We are going to see most important key support levels. One is the 2.88, but we have some other as well for FTM, and I will tell you exactly what you should be looking at. Okay, the volume right here is was increasing actually, but not in a very optimistic way. We had a huge sell pressure right here. You can see sellers have stepped in a little bit on FTM, but anyway, now we are dropping. The volume is dropping a little bit. You can see the moving average is going a little bit down. Let's see the MACD. On the MACD, we had a bearish cross right here, and now the MACD is going all the way down, but FTM, truth is, it remains a little bit stable, right? It doesn't go so much down. Okay, this is good. This is good. On the other hand, we do not want to go down from this support level we formed back on 22nd October. Okay, let's go to the risk metrics. On the risk metrics here, we have a little bit of an oversold situation for the stochastic RSI, but this isn't something that we should be looking at right now. Okay. What we should be looking at is the RSI, and here we have a little bit of a lower lower high. We are going to see if we drop down furthermore from this support line right there. If Bitcoin falls down, corrects a little bit more, it won't help FTM, and I will explain later. Right now you can see that we are having the FTM on the USDT on the 4-hour frame going on the Fisher transform into a little bit of an oversold situation, not an extreme oversold, but apart from that, the commodity channel index, the RSI, can grow, it can correct, even more. Okay, if they could grow, it would be the best for us, but they can correct even more. Let's go to the daily frame. On the FTM, on the daily frame, we had a little bit of a sell pressure right here. You can see that, and I wouldn't personally step in right now. Let's open up the SSL hybrid in case we had something, not a selling opportunity yet with the SSL hybrid. Okay, we had a buying opportunity back on 17 October, not a selling opportunity yet, but of course we hold a little bit of a high risk on the daily frame as well, and I think you should be a little bit careful. The buying pressure right here was good. However, right now I didn't like that we closed with this daily candlestick for FTM. I did not like that at all, to be honest with you. Okay, so right there you can see that now we had a very huge risk on the daily frame with all of the risk metrics, including the stochastic RSI. That's why maybe we correct a little bit more. All right, so therefore be prepared. Let's go to FTM Bitcoin chart. Here, things are looking a little bit worse than the FTM USDT. Maybe we find again the 20-day MA as a resistance level. And of course, we need to get a little bit lower with the RSI. You can see that the RSI right now wants to keep this support line right here. Okay, it's a very important support line. But if we drop down, we maybe be going below the 30. That's what we want to see if we correct even more for FTM against Bitcoin chart, which is more likely to correct even more against Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin drops, then you know that FTM on the USDT chart will surely go down. Okay, so we have to be a little bit careful right now, as we talked about in the previous videos as well. We can go to the daily frame for FTM Bitcoin chart. You can see that I did not like this candlestick at all. I do not think that the FTM Bitcoin chart, the daily frame, will close as a green candle, or if it closes as a green candle, the next one will be a red. Okay, so I do not believe FTM will keep outperforming Bitcoin in the next few days. Okay, that is in the next few days. Do not worry about something like that. Of course, though, we have the RSI getting in an extreme overbought. Okay, we have this as well, so you have to take into consideration that the RSI, the weekly RSI, and of course all the risk metrics are getting into an overbought situation. I said oversold before, it is overbought. Are getting into an overbought. They are already into an overbought situation right there. Okay, so you have to be extremely careful on the weekly frame. Let's go for FTM USDT chart on the price analysis. Here we are going to discuss a little bit more what you should be doing with your buying strategy, your best buying strategy that you should be having. So we have 2, 3 around their support levels. Okay, and of course do not forget to join the monthly subscription. 200 altcoins you will be able to buy and sell. You can find the link in the comment section, buymeacoffee/mindyourcrypto. Let's proceed quickly now into the support levels. You can see that we have the 2.50, 2.68, 2.88. Can we go to 2.50? Yes, we can. I know you do not like to hear that for FTM, but we can go to 2.50 again, to the 0.618, which will be also a great rebuying entry. I think around this area, around 2.50 to 2.68 is a great rebuying entry for FTM. So I really do think that we can go there and potentially move upwards as well. For the time being, please pay attention mostly to the FTM Bitcoin chart on the daily frame, not on the weekly frame, that we had this bearish candlestick right there, and pay close attention that Bitcoin might be going a little bit further downwards. We find a little bit rejection on the 50-day and the 20-day EMA, we get a little bit further down, then this will mean for FTM that it will go for sure down to the 2.69 and 2.50 Tether USD as support levels. Okay, especially if we find rejection right there, which is most likely to find rejection on the 20-day EMA. But apart from that, you should be a little bit cautious right now. If you are a new trader, you should be a little bit cautious. If you've bought around the bottom right here, then it's all fine. Do not worry at all for now. Also, I would suggest if you bought around the bottom, if you find around 1 Tether USD, 1.5, 2 Tether USD as a buying entry, take some profits. That's what I would suggest. For the time being, if you've bought around here, I would suggest you to rebuy when we get a little bit down. Okay, when we get further down. For FTM in the USDT, that is one of the things that I liked on the FTM is the MACD, that although we are going down, the price doesn't go down as well. Okay, this is something that I liked for FTM, but apart from that, we now should be cautious. Also, this is a very strong resistance level between 3.05 and 3.10. Okay, so we might be finding rejection around there and we go down from there. We should be extremely careful for now. Pay close attention to these support levels, and of course, thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.